In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Meet on Android. Google Meet is Google's secure video calling app, great for meetings, classes, and quick catch-ups. Installing it from the official source makes sure you get the latest features and security updates. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. Look for the multicolored triangle icon. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Make sure you're connected to the internet, preferably Wi-Fi, so the download is quick and doesn't use mobile data. If your device asks for basic permissions or to confirm your Google account, that's normal for the Play Store. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Play Store and type Google Meet. As the results appear, locate the official app from Google LLC. The icon looks like a camera with Google's colors. Checking the developer name helps you avoid lookalike apps. You can also glance at the rating and reviews to confirm you've got the right one. When you're on the Google Meet app page, tap Install. The button might say Open or Update instead. If you see Open, that means Google Meet is already installed on your phone. Many Android devices come with Google Apps preloaded. If it says Update, you already have it, and you're just bringing it to the latest version. If storage space is tight, consider clearing a little room so the download completes successfully. The download size can vary by device and region, so give it a moment to finish. Once the installation completes, the Install button will change to Open. Tapping Open will launch Google Meet right away. You'll also find the app in your app drawer the next time you need it. From here, you can sign in with your Google account, join a meeting with a code or link, or start a new meeting, whatever fits your needs. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep Google Meet updated through the Play Store to get performance improvements and new features. If you use multiple Google accounts on your phone, make sure you're on the correct one before joining a meeting. And if you ever run into download issues, switching to a stable Wi-Fi network and restarting the Play Store usually helps. That's it. Simple and fast. You've learned how to find Google Meet in the Play Store, search for it, and install it safely on your Android device.